A point cloud in PhotoModeler is a single entity made up of subpoints. You can select the cloud, and with some extra steps, select one or more of the subpoints. Subpoint selection can be used to measure from a subpoint, ease navigation, or help with control point setup, etc. First, a group of points in a cloud can be selected using Cloud Mesh Edit mode or Cloud Mesh Edit Region mode. Second, a faster way to select an individual point in a cloud is to use Select mode to first select the whole cloud, then click again and an individual point will be selected. The selected point will be displayed using a larger symbol. Once an individual point has been selected, you can click again to select a different one. The selection can be done using a 3D view or a photo. The measurements pane shows the position of the selected point. You can also hold down Shift to select two different points. The measurements pane will then show the distance between them. Zooming in can help to identify and select a specific point in the cloud. You can also use Shift Select to measure between the point in the cloud and other objects. Here the stop sign's pole cylinder. This sample project shows a scan roughly aligned with a building. The small set of currently marked points did not solve the best alignment. We can click once to select the cloud and then again to select an individual point. Then open the Imports and Coordinate Systems pane and use the Highlight Selected Point button. Once the point is highlighted, the Center Around button can be used so that the rotation and zoom are centered on the point. This can also be a quick way to select a new point from a cloud and extract the point for control or pinning. We can mark this new control point. And after processing, the alignment is improved. This project shows 2 point clouds pinned to different frames from dashcam footage. A point from the first cloud can be selected. Then, holding Shift, a point from the second cloud can be selected. The measurements pane will show the distance between these 2 points, showing how far the car moved between frames. There are 2 ways to select the points within clouds. It is quick to use Select Cloud and then Select Point with 2 clicks. When individual points in a cloud are selected, they can be used for measurement, control, or pinning setup, or for navigation.